Today I'm taking on the Goldblatt 5-piece hole saw kit. So this does come with a screw top case. We got our pilot bit that is labeled. It says 1/4 and 6mm. And for our hole saws, we got a 6, 8, 10, and 20mm. And it looks like we got cooling gel in the 6, 8, and 10. The cooling gel does appear to be filled all the way through the bit, and we can see that's labeled Goldblatt 3/8 or 10mm. It has a nice uniform coating all the way around it, and it goes down a little bit over 1/4 of an inch. So you can see I already drilled a 1/4 inch hole with Goldblatt's 1/4 inch set. I'm going to drill something a little larger. Let's go with the 10mm. It's worth keeping in mind, this is designed to be used with a drill. Grinders are typically better because they spin much faster, but not every DIYer has a grinder. Almost every DIYer has a drill. Set your drill to the highest speed, so you always want to start by going at kind of an angle and then tipping it up. All right, so we got our 1/4 inch hole. Here we got our 3/8 hole. So if you're looking for a competent hole saw, this is going to be an excellent choice for that.